So actually, artificial intelligence is not new word or new technology for researchers. So it is this technology is much older than you would imagine. Even there are myths of mechanical men in ancient Greek and Egyptian myths. So where the mechanical men used to take care of islands and all. So it was developed in the long back itself. So now we'll discuss how artificial journey started. In the year 1943, the model of artificial neuron was developed in the year 1943 by Michelacci and Pitts. In 1949, the Donald Hebb demonstrated updating rules for modifying the connection strength between the neurons. So here 1943 he has developed the neurons, no, artificial neurons. In the 1949, the Hebb designed the rules for strengthening the connections between the neurons. So what are the rules he has designed? Those rules are called Hebbian learning rules. In the year 1950, Alan Turing is the English mathematician. He has published Computing Machinery and Intelligence. In this, he has proposed a test. That test is called Turing test. So, if the system, any machine passes this Turing test, then we say that the human machine is having human intelligence. In the year 1955, Alan Newell, Herbert A. Simon created first artificial intelligence program. So what is the program name called? Logic Theorist. This program is to solve the proofs of mathematical theorems. So this program has solved around 38 out of 52 mathematical theorems, and this program has given new and more elegant proofs for some theorems. In 1956, the artificial intelligence name was introduced by the scientist called John McCarthy at the Dartmouth Conference. And at that time, the high-level computer languages such as Fortran, Lisp, and COBOL are also invented for programming artificial intelligence. In the year 1966, the the researchers have developed the programs to solve the mathematical problems. So here, the Joseph Wienberg created the first chatbot in the 1966. The chatbot name is Eliza. In 1972, Japan has invented the first humanoid robot. He has built the first humanoid robot. The name of the robot is Webert 1 is the name of the robot. And in 1974 to 1980 is called first AI winter. There was no much development in AI because the fundings from government, there are no severe shortage of fundings from the government for AI researchers. So that is why there is no much development. In 1980, after AI winter, the AI has come back with the expert systems. These systems have the decision making ability of human expert. In 1980, in 1980, the first national conference of American Association of Artificial Intelligence was held at Stanford University. In year 1987 to 1993, the second AI winter has started. Again, there was no funding for AI because it was not giving effective results. In 1997, IBM Deep Blue. IBM has designed a system called Deep Blue. It is used to play the chess. Okay, so it has beaten the chess champion, world chess champion that time. That Gary Kasparov is the world champion. It has beaten the world champion that time, and it is the first computer to beat the world chess champion. So in year 2002, the first time AI has entered into the homes in the form of Roomba vacuum cleaner. Okay, so the intelligent vacuum cleaner was developed. The name of intelligent vacuum cleaner is Roomba in the year 2002. In 2006, AI is started using by the companies called Facebook, Twitter, Netflix also started using AI, and there are so many uh, devices built by all these systems, all these companies. In the year 2011, IBM Watson. IBM has created one more machine called Watson. It won Geopody. It is the quiz show. Geopody is nothing but a quiz show where it has to solve the complex questions as well as riddles. So Watson was proved that it would understand the natural language and solve tricky questions and questions quickly. And the year 2012, Google has launched Android app called Google Now. So, it is able to provide the information to the user as prediction. In the year 2011, 2014, the chatbot called Usain Gutzman won the competition in famous Turing test. Turing test we have discussed, no? The Turing test, it uh, won the competition. In 2018, the IBM has created one more mission called Project Debater. It is from IBM. It is to debate on complex topics with two master debaters. And it is seen that the Project Debater performed extremely well. In the same year, the Google has demonstrated a program called Duplex, which is used to which is a virtual assistant which is used to take the appointments for hairdresser. Okay, and the lady speaking on other side to give the appointment could not able to identify that she is talking to machine. So that like that AI has developed, and nowadays you can see AI in most of the applications. And nowadays, the companies like Google, Facebook, IBM, Amazon are working with AI and creating amazing devices. So this is the history of AI.